Now you can able to see, no? So equally I am going to divide. Make sure top on the page and bottom of the page need to be equal space. A small space should be there. Okay, on one side. So the 60% of the circle will be this side, and just 30% should be in this side. Got it? Only little bit here. 60% here, 40% here. One circle. And body, if you see, body almost 60% this side and little bit only this side. Okay, this is a rough idea only. Roughly we are drawing, then we will be fine tuning it. So you see here, there is a curve like this. So the rabbit standing in a curve structure. If you put one curve line, it's like connecting like this. You see here, there is done. The first shoulder is done, right? The second shoulder, it's starting from here and going like this, and here one oval shape. So here I'm not completing the oval, I'm just putting little bit till here only, because here from here the hands start. Then a small curve. Okay, from here till here like this. Here curve. The same curve is coming. Already we had drawn one ellipse like this, and from here. Okay. Here also I had just given a small arrow stroke. The same way here also. I'm not completing this because here we are going to draw the leg. A single line like this. Two more lines. One on the top, one on the bottom. So for example, from the top I'm just drawing one line and just turning like this and coming down. Okay, so this is a reference idea. So this is the center line. If you draw this, it will be more easy to complete the hand. And just turning like this and going down. That's all. And here what I'm drawing, I'm just drawing one circle. Then I'm just drawing one more line like this and putting the boxes. It's a finger. And I just change this into 3 small boxes as a finger. Then here, like this. So we got the hand now. So now we have put one small alley here. Here also I'm just drawing one above line and one below line. Okay, and just turning like this and coming down like this. Here I'm just extending it in here. And making a curve like this for a thumb. And one finger like this. And I'm just making a fold. 1, 2. So this is a simple step. So first we have drawn one shape, take an oval shape, circle component. It's not purely circle. So what from here I'm just starting the leg. So almost coming down. Already we have drawn here a bottom line where the leg stands. Okay. So a small, very lightly curve, and it's turning like this, So this part need to be bigger size. From this center, I'm drawing one line like this. Okay, done. And here I'm just dividing, yeah, cut a curve and making this a finger, like this finger. One, two line. Whenever you're drawing this line, just make one curve like this, like a C, C, C. 1, 2, 3, C. So you feel that's a finger type shape. Okay. Here also there is a small curve, very light curve coming like this. Okay. And this is our bottom area coming like this. And just an edge. And here it's a bigger size going down, and from here like this. 1, 2. So here this finger is not seen clearly, so the space of this finger will be less. Now we are going to draw the time. So time is behind the hand, so it's not seen visibly fully. We'll start from this ear. I'm just doing a shading like this. Lines, closer lines. I'll just show you here. So when you are using the shading, you are drawing the lines only, very closer lines, like this. Okay. This way we are going to do the shading here. Only the ear part, not fully. From here to here. And this ear need to be fully shaded. This is a basic shading only. Okay. From the next level, I will be teaching you the shading fully. Now, just a basic. Now I'm just going to teaching only the shape to form. So that's a major topic for this 8th class. After this 8th class, then the next level I'll be teaching you the shading. So you see here, in this ear is more darker. Just use the same pencil and make it dark. So this darker, and make sure this starting area is dark, then became light. So this closer area of the face need to be darker. And here, the head part, one side, a small circle I'm just drawing and putting on line like this. Only this area, a small area. Anyway, I'm just sharing you the recording, so it will be more clear. You can just cross-check that also. And here also, I'm just going to do the shading. So this shadow is falling here. So I'm just drawing the same curve here and making like this. Should be very light, okay? And same way here also. And here also, only the below the t-shirts, I'm just making dark because the shadow falls very closely of the t-shirts. So that's why we have drawn these three areas and shadow. Shadow is nothing but a small shading. And this is the inner leg. So this leg's coming out, this is inside. So this area I'm just making little dark. So I'm just putting some lines like this. So now I'm going to apply the gray color first. Okay. So hand, body. So only this top part will be a gray. So I'm just starting from here. Here now, this part is gray on the top. And here, very lightly you need to apply, okay? Very light. So then we need to blend. We need to use the buttons. Only above the nose, I'm just applying the gray. It should be very light. No need to give the pressure. Okay, very light gray. Okay, you see here only this part I applied and here only the top part. So when I applied this, I'm using the buds and I'm just blending it. Here also I'm blending it. Okay. So you see here I just applied very lightly and I'm blending with the buds. So buds is very important for blending. It's a blending tool. Okay. In future, the next 8 classes will be now after 6th week, I think. After 2 weeks over, then we'll be using the color for all the classes. Okay. So if you see here, first I have applied only this part and now here. Now I'm just applying the hand. Not going down, okay? Only till the nose. Above the nose, we are applying the gray. No need to give the pressure while applying. Just light gray only we are going to apply. Okay. Same way for the hand. Very lightly you have to apply. Lightly. No need to give the pressure. If you put pressure, it's become black. So just a light gray. I'm just touching like a feather touch. I didn't give any pressure. Just a feather touch. Anyway, we are going to blend it. The same way for the leg also. Very lightly applied. Okay. So using the pressure is also very important. Where you need pressure, you need to apply. Otherwise, just very lightly you need to apply. So blending technique I will be teaching you after this 8 week. Then we'll go to the blending techniques and how to apply the color, everything. Now you need to know only it should be very light. This is a basic coloring. Okay. So after this applying, I am just blending like this. With the
let me just grab one.
It should be become light gray. Make sure it's not going out. So I'm just applying a very, very, very light color. And finally, we'll be doing an outline also. And here the leg. You can use the tissue, paper, buds, cotton, or finger. So now I'm just using the finger. You see here, finger also we can use for print. I'm just applying the light pink here, okay? Inside the ear, very lightly. And here too. Already we applied the gray, so it will become dark in the pencil. A small light gray, that's it. And here the red. For the t-shirt, I'm just applying the red, that's all. While applying the red, this part should be very light. The center part, now I'm not giving any pressure, very light. Only the edge corner area I'm just giving little depth. Okay, and this part should be very light. So while applying it, so your pencil need to be very slowly need to apply. And this bottom part also dark. So you need to apply, give some space white. Okay, so for example, I just applied here. I'm just blending with this finger. Now this is a basic only, okay? I'll be teaching you the blending technique which help how to blend the colors. Now it's a single color. I just want to make sure this need to be little bit colorful. So that's the point, okay? So then I'm just doing an outline with the black sketch, okay? So it's more clean and neat. So and here also I'm just giving a small pink color for the nose. So this is actually a black and white only. We just make little interesting. So now I'm just giving an outline in the black sketch.